Hey guys, Dirk here at Aussie Power Sports. Today I'm introducing a brand new product in our tyre range. It's the Armour P3036 all-terrain 8-ply radial tyre. I'm super excited about the launch of this tyre range, guys. We first came across this tread pattern a few years ago, and since then we've spent a lot of time in R&D, product testing, and also working with the manufacturer to develop a range of tyre sizes that are really going to suit the Australian market. So we're very confident that this tyre range is going to hit the quality, durability, and most importantly, price point that's going to be required to be a success in the Australian market. Armour P3036 is an 8-ply radial constructed tyre. It's got a very deep tread and it's multi-directional tread. And you'll also notice down the sidewall it's got very deep side protection blocks that come down. I classify this tyre as an aggressive all-terrain tyre. And when we say all-terrain, we mean all terrains. It's going to run fairly smoothly on your hard pack, good for rocks, good for sticks, but it's also got the tread depth and the aggressiveness required that if you get in the soft stuff, your loam and your mud, it's going to be able to self-clean and perform really well across all different environmental ranges. This tyre in a huge range of sizes to cover all different ATV and UTV models. So in a 12-inch rim, it's available in a 25 and a 27-inch tyre, and in a 14-inch rim, it's going to be available in a 27 right through to a 30-inch tyre. So it's really going to cover every different scenario or UTV or ATV model that you might have. So let's run through some of the key features of this tyre range. As I mentioned, it's an 8-ply radial constructed tyre. So that 8-ply range is going to get you great durability, great protection from penetration, from sticks and rocks and that type of thing. As a radial tyre, you're also still going to get that smooth ride and that good cornering capability at high speeds. It's made from a premium rubber compound, so it's a natural synthetic blend. So you're going to get great wear resistance and also really good punch resistance from this compound. What really sets this tyre apart from other tyres on the market is its unique multi-directional tread pattern. So you're going to get triangular shaped interlocking tread blocks, which what that means is you're going to have really good lugs, and no matter what direction the terrain is coming from, you're going to get really good leading edge bite on those lugs. It's got a deep tread depth of 20 millimeters. And while I said this has a firm rubber compound, even though it is firm, you can see it's got these tyre sipes cut into all the tread blocks. So what that means is though you've got a firm wearing compound, but you're still going to get that required deformation and flex that's going to be needed to really bite and grip into the terrain. If you look really closely at the tread, it's going to give relatively smooth travel as well. You've got a fairly continuous center here, which means that even though it is a very aggressive all-terrain tyre, that center line is going to be continuous, so you're going to get a nice smooth run over that hard pack or like rougher terrains. Another really great and pretty unique feature of this tyre, if you look really closely at the tyre carcass, you can see these small triangular raised pyramid ridges all over the tyre surface. Now what that's there for is when you're in the mud and you're in deep sticky mud, it's going to create little air pockets in the surface of that mud and allow that mud to be flung off by the tyre and break the surface tension of the mud to the tyre. So again, all-terrain tyre, it's going to perform really well in those mud or soft loamy conditions for you. Another great thing about this tyre is the sidewall protection. So you can see on the tyre sidewall, you've got these really deep protection lugs that come right down the sidewall. So they're going to give you protection from penetration like sticks and rocks, but also if you're in deep ruts or things like that, you can really wheel the tyre to get that side edge bite that you're going to be needed to pull you forward through the terrain that you're going to be tackling. Well, in summary, you're going to have durable 8-ply construction, great all-terrain tread. It's going to be suitable for any type of environment you throw at it. Huge size range. It's going to cover any ATV or UTV you might have. More importantly, this is going to be offered a really cost-competitive price to the Australian market. So we're very, very confident this tyre is going to meet the needs of the Australian market and is going to soon be a very, very popular tyre within our range. So if you're looking for information on the Armour P3036 or any other products in the Aussie Power Sports range, get onto the team at Aussie Power Sports, give us a call or jump online, www.aussiepowersports.com.au, Also, check out our local stockists Australia-wide and jump on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube and follow us for more information there. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.